everyone, this is Juki here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on the beautiful Agomoni Durga Ma look. This look I was inspired by Pinterest. So for the very first step, I am going to use LA Girl concealer all over my lid with a flat fluffy brush. Next I am setting the concealer with a beauty blender using a Krylon translucent powder. I am brushing my eyebrows and I will fill it up with PAC brow pomade. With the help of a flat concealer brush, I am cleaning my brows and getting them into proper shape. Next I am shaping my brows with the same flat concealer brush and the LA Girl concealer. Now, guys, the main feature of this look is that the brows are going to be rounded. That means they are not going to have pointed arcs. So because of that, as you can see, I am rounding off my arch and making the ends very pointy. So with the brows done, let's start with the eye makeup part. I am using a light brown shade as a transition today, and I am going above my natural crease as I have hooded eyes. And with a big fluffy brush, I am applying this light brown shade all over my crease area. With another fluffy brush, I am applying dark chocolate brown color in the outer corners of my eyes and dusting it off properly to give it a big eye illusion. Now I am using PAC gel liner on my upper lash line. And guys, the main feature of this look also includes broad eyeliners. So in this look I will be using gel eyeliner all over my upper lash line, my inner corner, as well as on the lower lash line. I'm not going to use any kajal. Everything will be done by the gel eyeliner only. After applying the liner, if you see any increase or decrease in the eyeshadow's density, you can always go and adjust itself. Starting with the face makeup, I have applied LA Girl orange color corrector all over the marks of my face, and I have mixed two foundation shades for this look. One is MAC 25 and the other one is MAC 44, and I am applying the foundation all over my face with a damp beauty blender, as you can see. Now for highlighting, I am using LA Girl concealer under my eyes, on the temple zone and on the bridge of the nose. For this look I will be doing cream contour, and for this also I am using LA Girl. For nose contouring I am using a powder. I am using NYX bronzer to contour my nose with a flat fluffy brush. Always remember to blend the nose contour lines properly so that there are no harsh lines, otherwise it will not look good. Now I am using ABH Glow Kit to highlight the high points of my face. To complete this look, I am using orange color lipstick. For blush, I have mixed two shades from this palette. One is pink and the other one is warm brown color. So with this, my Agomoni Durga Puja look is complete, and if you like this look, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and let me know how did you like this look in the comments below. Thank you so much.